Hi, my name is Anna Hewitt. I'm the Alumni Career Coach here at SCI Business School, and today I'm going to be talking about the secret to success when it comes to building your network in your career. So in today's world of work, careers are disrupted and uncertain. Opportunities don't always come through the most obvious routes. So your network provides a source of learning, a source of connection, a way to uncover maybe some of those hidden opportunities. So that role of your network is a constant in your career. It's something that we would recommend investing in early. That network will stay with you for the duration of your career. It's all about trying to increase that kind of surface level of opportunity. So when you're thinking about your network and wanting to invest your time and energy in a strategic way, it's always useful and helpful to start with the end in mind. So understanding what your goals are when it comes to networking. Is this network about supporting you from a promotion perspective? Is it about helping you from a transition perspective? Are you interested in pivoting or moving into different sectors? So really kind of getting clarity on that is a good place to start. Then when you think about where you are now and you assess your network and you kind of look at what exists within your network, what roles do you have in your network? Who plays the role of a mentor? Who plays the role of a sponsor? Who plays the role of an advocate? Who's providing maybe your customer's voice or your industry voice? Who's giving you an alternative point of view? So really kind of looking at that network and seeing where the gaps are can help you decide where to focus your energy. I think it's really important when you think about your network that networking isn't about kind of just people connecting with people. It's about people helping people. So how can you lift it up from a transactional relationship to be a contributor, to be a connector? Supporting other people in their networking endeavours can absolutely kind of pay it forward for when you use it in the future. And then the last thing I would say is we're really good at deepening the relationships of the people that are close to us and that we know. But part of effective networking and strategic networking is when you have that goal in mind, who are some of those kind of weaker ties that are going to enable you to achieve those goals. So how are you both deepening the relationships that you have in your network, but also importantly broadening those and working with those weaker ties in a relationship-based way is as important as those that already exist. So when you think about the approach and mindset that you want to be taking to networking, the first and foremost is always remembering that networking is about a relationship. It's not about a transaction. So like we would with any of the relationships that we have in our lives, really kind of approaching that relationship with curiosity and respect, doing what you say you're going to do, following up, being consistent is super important. I think it's also playing the longer game. So sometimes one of the traps that we can fall into is start to aggressively network at a time of need, when we need that network most. But you want to almost think about your network as career capital. So you're always investing in your future career decisions or changes that you want to be making. So networking becomes an always-on activity as part of your career development strategy and your career growth. Thinking about how you can be a connector, how can you contribute, how can you help others in their endeavours is super important. And also thinking about when you approach conversations in networking, how can you really do it from a place of curiosity, a place of learning, a place of understanding, rather than thinking about what you can take from the other person. I always really love that saying that, you know, people will remember not what you did, but how you made them feel. And I think when you have that mindset and that approach to networking, it really helps you build a strong professional reputation, a strong personal brand, and people are more likely to want to give and help to you in the future.